channel. So wait, hold on, let me just say this. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Like, this is crazy. I gained like over 1,000 something subscribers in the past 3 weeks, but mainly because of the hair video. Just to clear the air, that was my hair. For everybody who's like, oh, that's not your thumbnail, blah blah blah. No, yeah, like, shout out to all my new subscribers. This is crazy. I feel like my YouTube channel is finally going somewhere. Be on the lookout for fitness videos, because that bathing suit video, a lot of people was going crazy over that video. I do want to start doing like fitness workout videos and like what I eat, what I do to keep my body up, how to get a big booty, all that extra shit. But yeah, so in this video, I'm not even gonna talk and ramble. I will be just doing a hair review on this hair, and I'll just be showing you all how to keep up with curly hair, how to maintain curly hair, what products to use. I guess curly hair is a lot of maintenance, but curly hair is really not a lot of maintenance to me. So I don't think it's a lot of maintenance. I think it's easy to keep up with, and this hair is bombed out freaking come. Like, let me just say this, listing all the products down below on everything I use for this hair, how to keep the hair soft, how to keep your curls, like how to maintain your curls, how to make your curls pop. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into this video. So what I'm doing now is I'm just prepping my hair, wetting it, and I'm about to wash the hair. So the shampoo that I will be using is a castor oil shampoo, and I'm going to take a Denman brush. Now I feel like this brush is really important when it comes to curly hair, period, because I feel like it's perfect when it comes to detangling curly hair. So I feel like if you have curly hair, whether you're using this for your real hair or weave, I feel like this brush will save your life. So I'm just wetting the hair and I'm just applying the shampoo, rubbing my fingers through it, making sure I'm getting through all of the hair. I'm going to take that brush and I'm just going to use that to detangle the curls, so when I rinse the hair out, it will just be easy for me to rinse and rub my fingers through. So now I'm just rinsing that shampoo out. Look at those beautiful curls. Oh my gosh, this hair is so bomb. So after I rinse my hair, I'm going to be taking this Shea Moisture weightless cream rinse, and it's basically a conditioner. I'm just going to apply that to the hair and let it sit in for about a good 10 to 15 minutes. For anybody wondering, this is 3 bundles and a lace closure, and they're all 18 inches. So I'm just rubbing that product through the hair, finger coiling the hair, and look how easy it is for me to just glide my fingers through the hair. That's how your hair should be. After I rinse that conditioner out, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my hair, spray the hair with some more water, and I'm just basically going to get ready to just define my curls. Like I said, I feel like this brush is really super important, because I feel like it's perfect to really get your curls defined, rather than just spraying water and using your fingers. So now I'm going to take some Elixir that I also got from the website, the same website I got the hair from. What this basically going to do is it's going to give the hair some shine. It's going to make the curls pop even more, and it's going to make the hair super soft. So last, I'm just going to add a dab of oil. So I know some people are big on not applying oil to weave, but I feel like applying oil to curly hair is not going to really mess the hair up in any kind of way. I feel like it will make the hair more soft and add some shine to the hair. And I'm just going to continue brushing through the hair. Before I apply my unit, I'm going to be laying my edges down. Now this is a new edge control that I've been using. It's from Bundles for Queens, and I really like this edge control. I've been using this edge control for about a week now. It does lay and it does stay. It lays and stays, because you know how you have certain edge controls that sweat off. And what I mean by that is like, you lay your edges down, by the time you step outside it's like melting off your fucking face. So with this edge control, I feel like this edge control, it does stays in place. Smells really good. Bruh, no, for real, this smells really fucking good. I would have to really demonstrate you guys this edge control when I have my hair out, but I just wanted to show you all how to apply it. It's still damp, but for the most part it's super dry and it's so soft. It smells so good, and it was my first time washing the hair. Look how beautiful this hair is. Look at the curls. It's some really good hair. Like I said, I will leave all links down below, so y'all, if y'all want to go shop for the hair and the products, everything will be listed down in my description box. But for the most part, this hair is beautiful. I just want to show y'all how pretty this hair looks. And this is the hair dry. I'm not even gonna spray it no more because I think it's pretty fine how it is. But so yeah, this is the unit on my head, and like I told you guys, I will link everything down below. This hair is bomb.com, and I noticed that this season, curly hair, curly. Everywhere I go I see curly hair. Like everybody's wearing curly hair. I don't know if that's like the spring hair, but I've been noticing it's like a trend. So up close and personal on this hair, I just want to show y'all this texture. Yeah, and this is dry, so that's like that's why I was saying I think the oil, because this is my first time putting oil on it, and I think the oil made the hair really lay, because I like it to kind of like still look, you know, wet or whatever. So gorgeous, so soft. So again, that wraps up this video. Like I said, if you are new, welcome to my channel. I'm so freaking excited. I feel like this is the beginning of a new freaking journey. Again, thank you all for tuning in my channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and comment down below what else you guys want to see. And I think that's about it, because I feel like I just be talking. But yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.